Hi guys, just an impromptu video here, so bad lighting, sorry. I'm just on Facebook and Wacom have posted a picture that I took of all the different styluses from over the years. A couple of people have made a comment about the new nibs on styluses wearing down quite quickly. I just wanted to make a comment and say, hey, yeah, the new styluses, they do wear down a lot quicker than the old ones. But that's to simulate the more realistic drawing. It's a trade-off, you know, a harder nib doesn't have a realistic drawing quality that, say, a pencil will give you. So, to stop the wear and tear on this, the best thing to do is to go into your settings and just, you know, take down that pressure a touch. That way you're not pushing down quite so hard on your stylus. And this will make your nibs last a tiny bit longer, you know, and that will be absolutely great. And that's all you have to do. So when you get your new nibs, just go into your settings, take that pressure down a touch, and you won't notice any change in your stylus apart from the fact that you're not pushing down as hard. Hope that helps some of you if you find that your nibs are just wearing out too fast. Okay guys, have a wonderful day and I hope that tip helps. If it does, spread the word and I'll see you later. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like and even subscribe to my channel, Lawrence Can Draw. And if you really did like what you saw here, you can see more of it on my website, lawrenceman.co.uk. I'll see you next time.